Hey guys, Winnie here. I know it's warmer out and you're spending more time in the sun, so I wanted to share some skincare that rehydrates your skin. These are some of my favorites I picked up from Kroger, and you can find them at your local Kroger family of stores too. So first we're going to start off with cleansing the skin. This is the Olay Regenerous Cleansing Whip. It deep cleans to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities on your skin and preps it for moisturizer after. So I'm just going to wet my face and hands to lather it up, and I'm going to gently work it all over my skin to help me remove my makeup as well, and then I will rinse everything off. Spending prolonged time out in the sun can actually be very harmful to your skin if you don't protect it. It can give you premature wrinkles and speed up aging, so you want to use hydrating and anti-aging products to keep your skin looking nice. I'm going to follow up with a hydrating sheet mask from Neutrogena. This is the Deep Clean Hydrogel Mask. It instantly refreshes and soothes your skin and gives it a nice glow. It has a mesh-like side and a gel side, so just make sure to apply the gel side to your skin. It feels really nice on, and you just keep it on for 15 to 30 minutes. For some reason, my lips are always feeling chapped after being in the sun, so I'm gonna grab my Simple Truth Organic Moisturizing Lip Balm in Honey Vanilla to help hydrate my lips while I do my mask. So after about 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove the mask, and it really does feel so hydrated afterwards. Now I'm going to take the Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow Infusion Drops to help even out my skin tone and texture. I use about 3 drops and apply it directly to my skin. You can also mix these drops with your moisturizer, and it gives you a healthy, radiant glow. Now I'm taking my favorite moisturizer from Olay. It's the Regenerous Micro Sculpting Cream, and I apply this all over my face. This is a very powerful anti-aging cream that hydrates, plumps, and keeps your skin firm. It's everything that you want after spending some time in the sun. So now my face is glowing and hydrated, and we can't forget about the rest of your body. I'm going to take the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's clinically proven to give you supple and hydrated skin. It's also fragrance-free, and it's great for sensitive or dry skin types. I love that it absorbs really quickly and it doesn't leave a sticky feeling. I hope you found some new products to try out for your post-sun skincare routine. Don't forget to check out your local Kroger family of stores for the products I mentioned, and I'll see you next time. Bye!